Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are exploring stunning crochet top designs that every crochet lover will absolutely adore. Whether you are a beginner, an experienced crocheter, or someone who simply appreciates handmade fashion, this collection of crochet tops is full of inspiration, creativity, and timeless beauty. Crochet tops are more than just clothing pieces. They are expressions of art, patience, and personal style. Each stitch tells a story, and every design reflects the creativity of the maker. As you watch the images in this video, take a moment to appreciate the detail, the texture, and the craftsmanship behind each piece. Let's begin by talking about versatility. Crochet tops can be styled in so many different ways. Some designs are light and breathable, perfect for warm weather. These airy patterns often use open stitches that create a soft, elegant look. They are perfect for summer outings, beach days, vacations, or even casual everyday wear. Other crochet top designs are more structured and bold. These pieces often feature tighter stitches, intricate patterns, and unique sleeve styles. They can be paired with jeans for a relaxed look, or dressed up with skirts and accessories for a more polished outfit. Crochet truly gives you the freedom to create something that matches your personality. One of the most beautiful things about crochet tops is the variety of patterns available. From floral motifs and granny square designs to modern geometric styles, there is something for everyone. Some tops highlight delicate lace patterns that add a feminine touch, while others focus on simplicity and clean lines for a minimalistic look. Color also plays a big role in crochet top design. Neutral tones like white, beige, and soft pastels create a classy and elegant appearance. On the other hand, bright colors and bold combinations can make a statement and bring energy to your outfit. When choosing colors, think about the mood you want to create and how the top will fit into your wardrobe. Another important aspect of crochet tops is comfort. Handmade crochet pieces are often soft and breathable, especially when made with cotton or lightweight yarn. This makes them comfortable to wear for long hours. Plus, because crochet allows flexibility in sizing, you